Theriault-Fazio, and I'm excited to welcome you to the Tuesday Tips Partnership Series presented by the Theriault-Fazio team at Proper Rate. We're thrilled to provide you with valuable content about home ownership, and today we have Aly Goldman, SVP of Sales at Guarantee Rate Insurance, joining us. Aly is our trusted expert on home insurance, and in this episode, she shares tips on securing the best insurance rate and tackling increasing premiums.
Aly Goldman here with Guaranteed Rate Insurance, just coming to you today with some tips and tricks as we weather the crazy insurance marketplace. Here in Illinois and across the country, you will notice that homeowners insurance prices and auto insurance prices have been and will continue to be on the rise. A couple of tricks and tips that we wanted to bring forward are best ways for you to be able to get the best insurance rate possible. This comes in several different manners. So primarily if you're looking to get extra discounts on your insurance, you always want to look to see if there are opportunities to bundle with other lines of business. Auto, motorcycle, if you have another property, a personal umbrella, jewelry coverage, these are going to be the best ways for you to get an additional discount on your homeowner's insurance premium to help keep the rate down. Another tip and trick would be to make sure that you know the age of the roof of your property and make sure you know the above ground square footage. When you're looking to get insurance quotes, these are two imperative factors that go into the rate of the home insurance. So coupling bundle discounts with knowing the facts about your property can really help you get the best rate possible. It always helps to speak with an insurance agent to make sure that you're maximizing all the discounts available and getting the best rate possible, reviewing your deductibles, and making sure that you have alarm discounts if you have an alarm or any other systems that service your home that may be beneficial. These are just some quick tips and tricks. For more, visit our website or check us out on social media. And if you ever need an insurance quote, feel free to reach out to us directly.